So this is the first time using a microwave egg cooker. Going to see how it turns out. So I'm going to put some water in here up to the line. The egg into this, which then goes into this. So I'll be 2 seconds. So I've now filled the water to the line. I have my fresh egg, which says place into here. Place this like this. Put this lid on. There is an arrow somewhere. Where's the arrow? Take it. So pick it up. Then we'll put this in the microwave. Instructions is based on a 300-watt microwave. Mine's 900. And my eggs are straight out of the packet, not in the fridge. So I'm reducing my timing to about 2.5 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. 2 minutes 30, and we shall press play. Okay, so it's done. We'll have to leave it for 1 minute. It's a bit steam. Hopefully it's worked. Let's see. Quite a bit of water coming out the microwave. Okay. So see the magic. Looks good up and down, no cracks. A knife to cut the egg and a spoon to scoop. Let's see. How hot. Looks like it needs a little bit longer, but it's worked. Look, just a little bit longer, and I think that will be fine. Yeah, thumbs up for me.